Hello, and welcome to Heartland Fans, the channel where we share everything related to our favorite show. In this video, we are going to show you the official trailer for Heartland Season 17, which is set to premiere on October 1st on CBC and CBC Gem. This season is very special, as it marks the 250th episode of the series, making it the longest-running one-hour drama on Canadian television. The trailer gives us a glimpse of what to expect from the new season, which promises to be full of surprises, challenges, and adventures for the Bartlett-Fleming family and their friends. Let's watch it together, and then we'll talk about it. Wow, that was amazing! There is so much going on in this trailer, we don't even know where to start. First of all, we see Amy and Ty celebrating their anniversary with a romantic getaway. But things take a turn when they encounter a mysterious stranger who seems to know something about Ty's past. Could this be related to Ty's father, who was revealed to be alive in the last season finale? And what does he want from Ty? We also see Lou preparing for her wedding with Mitch, but it looks like she has some doubts about her decision. Is she having second thoughts about marrying Mitch? Or is she worried about how her family will react to her news? We hope Lou will find happiness with Mitch, but we also wonder if there is still a chance for her and Peter to get back together. Meanwhile, Jack and Lisa are enjoying their retirement, but they also face some challenges as they try to balance their personal and professional lives. Jack seems to have trouble letting go of his responsibilities at Heartland, while Lisa gets involved in a new business venture that might put her in conflict with Jack. How will they cope with these changes? And then there is Tim, who is always up for some trouble. He decides to run for mayor of Hudson, but he has a fierce opponent in Casey McMurtry, who is not afraid to play dirty. Tim also has some issues with his health, as he suffers from a heart attack that puts his life in danger. Will Tim survive and win the election? Or will he lose everything he cares about? As for Georgie, she is ready to take on new challenges as she pursues her dream of becoming an Olympic equestrian. She trains hard with her new coach, Quinn, who pushes her to the limit. She also has a new love interest, Wyatt, who seems to be a perfect match for her. But Georgie also has some problems with Jade, who is jealous of her success and tries to sabotage her. Will Georgie overcome these obstacles and achieve her goals? And last but not least, we have the horses. The trailer shows us some beautiful scenes of Amy working with different horses, including Spartan, Theo, Harley, and a new one named Blue. We also see some exciting action sequences involving horses, such as a stampede, a rescue mission, and a race. We can't wait to see more of these amazing animals and how they help the characters grow and heal. Heartland Season 17 looks like it will be an incredible season that will keep us hooked from start to finish. We are so excited to see how the story unfolds and how the characters deal with the unexpected twists and turns that life throws at them. We are also proud of the cast and crew for creating such a wonderful show that has touched our hearts for so long. What do you think of the trailer? Are you excited for Heartland Season 17? What are your predictions and hopes for the new season? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more Heartland content. Thanks for watching, Heartland fans, and we'll see you next time.